Hey, Klaus Schlimm here with Progressive Materials. Today we're going to be talking about proper equipment setup so you can get ready to spray your silicone. The first thing you want to do before spraying any silicone is making sure that you have plenty on hand and mixed up. One of the worst things you can do to your big rig is let it run out of silicone while it's running. This is going to make it start sucking air, and that's really hard on the pump and could really shorten the life of the big rig. This problem is really easy to avoid, and it should be at all costs. Just make sure you have plenty of material on hand. Once you're sure you have enough mixed material to begin the operation, you'll introduce the material to the pump via one of the many accessories, turn the hydraulic valve to the open position, and begin to pressure up the rig. The best method that I've found when trying to determine the best pressure setting is to have a spray man, or a person on the roof with a spray gun, and a ground man, someone on the ground whose job it is to make sure the pump is running well and the pump has plenty of mixed material ready to spray. These two should have frequent communication through some kind of walkie-talkie or other similar device. The spray man should communicate to the ground man to continue turning the pressure up until he has a good atomization pattern coming out of his spray tip. This pressure is generally around 5,500 psi, which will be identified on the pump housing pressure gauge. If a good spray pattern can be achieved at lower pressure, then the lower pressure should be used. This will prolong the life of the pump by allowing it to run at an easier pace. There are many variations that will affect pressure setting. Some of these can be weather conditions, how well the material has been mixed, hose length, and the building height. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about setting up your equipment. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube, check us out on Facebook and LinkedIn, and go to pmsilicone.com where you can find more details about our Graco Big Rig.